Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Eggs. Now I've done several recipes with eggs and adding to that list is another delightful snack recipe. This is egg bites. This is very quick and simple to make and it's very tasty. Kids will love this. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For this I've taken eggs. Next to the bowl, add 1 medium-sized onions finely chopped, 1 medium tomato de-seeded and chopped, 1 small carrot grated, a small piece of cabbage grated, 1 green chilli chopped, a few curry leaves chopped, a few coriander leaves chopped. Next I'm going to season it with 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon red chilli powder. So just mix everything together. So now the egg mixture is ready. Keep this aside. So I'm using a Paniyaram skillet to make these egg bites. Just pour a little oil. Take a little bit of the egg mixture and gently drop it into the skillet. Keep the flame on medium-low and cook. So I'm just going to drizzle a little bit oil on top. So just gently flip them over using our skewer sticks. Cook on both sides till they've turned to a nice golden brown color. Make sure to maintain the flame on low throughout because these egg bites have to cook through. So you don't want to keep the flame on high. They can easily get burnt. So using the spoon, just scoop it out. Now how quick was that? These egg bites are so quick and simple to make and they're very tasty. You can enjoy it as is or you can even have it with some nice ketchup by the side. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends.